Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am showing you how to make Davangere mix. Are you puzzled what is Davangere mix? Yes, I'll show you and I'll say why the name has come like this. We can make very tasty laddus out of this mix and serve to our children. My kid really loved it and he always demands for these laddus. To make these laddus, I have taken ragi 50 gram, jaggery 50 gram, chana dal 50 gram and groundnuts 50 gram. You can take all 4 ingredients in equal proportions. If you want in more quantity, you can increase in same proportion. So first we need to dry roast all the ingredients like ragi, chana dal and groundnuts. 100 grams of this mixture gives 14 grams of protein and 400 kilocalories of energy. This mix was first introduced in a prestigious medical college in Davangere. So the name Davangere mix has come to this recipe. Actually, it is a very simple, economical, nutritional mix we can say for children, and you can observe that all the ingredients we are using here are available in any of the families of Karnataka. After dry roasting all the ingredients, we need to grind the ingredients into fine powder. Instead of purchasing costly health mixes from the shop, we can easily make these economical health mixes at home and use it. The advantage of preparing the mixes at home is that you can expect them to be preservative free and you know what you are eating, like what are the ingredients of your mix. Ragi is the staple diet of South Karnataka and we all have a traditional and emotional bondage with ragi and the products of ragi. So we are done with powdering all the dry ingredients. Now let us add all of them into a large mixing bowl and give a thorough mix. Along with ragi, we also grow this chana dal and groundnuts in this region. So this mix is a kind of local mix we can say. After giving a thorough mix, we can store this mixture in a clean dry glass jar. Ensure that the jar is airtight. We can store this up to 2 weeks. This mixture is very helpful in combating malnutrition among children, especially the ones who belong to lower socioeconomic status. Just pack it and store it, and whenever required you can take out 2-3 spoonsful of mixture and prepare laddus out of it. Let us see how to make laddus out of Davangere mix. First I am heating the kadai and adding a spoon of ghee. Then add Davangere mix and heat it until the jaggery in the mix gets melted and mixes with the ghee so as to the consistency of making laddu. Then you can easily make laddus and serve to your children. These laddus are really very tasty and I urge everyone to try it once in your home. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.